Now I'm going to follow it with the white light. So whenever we take something out, we want to put something back in, seal it up. Okay, and as I am inferring that just in that little bit, that something's come out. And sometimes we have to do a couple rounds of this to like process it fully, but just want to check in at that point. What's going on with your stomach now?
This area feels much better. Still have just a little bit deep here.
There, okay. Is it still kind of a blue oval thing that's kind of on top that feels heavy?
No, not really. It's not as heavy anymore. It's not, color's not really as apparent.
Okay.
It's like a smaller area.
Okay.
Over here, but I remember I had surgery too, so.
Okay. So we're gonna go over one more time. Fix it. Okay. It's gonna kind of spray over the aura in that area coming on the back. This is honest, I've never had anyone not have it shift. Okay. And it's usually clear. And I'm following with the white light, and again, I'm using it a little thicker than I normally would. Okay. And another option before you repeat those two, I'm trying to show you how to do this with the least amount of essences. But if you had violet white on hand as well, or lighten up, you could also, instead of going back to the release it right away, you could go to the violet white. And if it's something that's really like affecting you, that's more on an emotional level, then sometimes going to the lighten up, it clears a different part of your energy. Release it goes really, really deep, and it clears like a amalgam of energies. Lighten up is more like if you're feeling heavy and it's causing you to feel like lower frequency emotions, such as heaviness or sadness or whatever, and you can't really explain it, then I would go for the lighten up. Okay. If you can't explain it, you know it's a block, you know it's something deep inside, start with release. So take a few deep breaths there, and then I'm telling you how is that red inflammation inside your right.
Okay, so it's much smaller. It's like fun. It's more yellow now.
And
it's small, very tiny.
Okay. And so when you think about that area, that's the area you had from surgery.
It's a scar right there. I didn't think about that when I was talking to you, but yeah, that's a scar there.
Oh. So, and that surgery was how long ago?
Months.
Oh, recent. Okay. So there's some body memory there is what's going on. And so we want to kind of reprogram that and bring that back to the present, because sometimes your body, where the body memories are, your body, your cells and cells in your body, they don't know it's, what is it, October 2nd, 2022. They think that it's still 2 months ago, and they're operating as if they're under anesthesia, they're in surgery, or something else is going on. So one of the essences, I'm just going to pull from what I have here, I'm going to go for transitions, okay? So it creates movement, and what we want to do is we want to bring it like practical sense. We want to bring these cells forward into the present. So I know that might be fun. Over here. And again, 5 to 7 sprays is good, but I'm brushing her. And now tell me how.
Much better.
Okay, is there still a little bit something? Can you but okay, what's it look like this time?
Purple, maybe? Like literally like just tiny chunks, like one little. Right here, right there.
Okay. So this time I'm going to let you choose. I'm not going to tell you what I'm giving you, because I want to show you a new method. So just turn to the side here, and I'm going to put this in your hand. Now, just hold it with one hand, okay? Slight movement. Forward. Okay. So we're going to be
Terrified of leaning back because I broke my back.
Oh no. So don't.
Like I go far.
No. It's a real subtle movement. So you might like barely go like that or barely go. It's a subtle movement. Okay. So this is, try that one. Which way do you suddenly go? Back. Right. So this is not the one you need. Forward. Okay.
See, I'm feeling it.
Okay.
It's a feeling.
Yeah, it's kind of like this internal, very subtle movement.
Have enough of that when you just done it.
Side. So this isn't one I would normally recommend for that, but I was scanning her energy and thought this is what she needs. This is dendrobium. Brought up feeling rigid, right, when she's discussing this, and that was also kind of a subtle cue for me that what was coming up was some kind of like almost like unable to move it out. Okay. So this is gonna write this around up here. And this is one of the ones that the Four Seasons offers. Now let's see. Let's like on it straight up. Okay. Now let's see what happens.
Well, this isn't like a release, it's like a seal, right? Working.
No, the orchid can help move blockages out. Like, I was thinking with some scars, which are almost karmic blockages or memory that interpolates itself to be clear in order for you to function at your optimal, happy self.
Feels good now.
She's not happiness. So
Feels good now.
yeah, feels good. Okay. And see, I just wanted to show you that because I didn't even get her scan in that area, which I normally would. We didn't process the memories. Like, we didn't show you what you can do with just like the power of the products, vibration and stuff.
Jayme, thanks so much for teaching me more. Thank you so much for teaching me more about your products. And I'm a huge, huge fan. You'll have the discount code below. So you can try these essences, and believe me, you will be a huge fan once you do. I even to Candy, like, just a little side note. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.